Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Tone with the news, updates, trends, and analysis.
Video you watched today.
Ooh, my Instagram just popped up. But yeah, guys, today we are gonna actually talk about something that's been on my mind for a few, probably month, but I will say probably for a few years. Who owns America? Who owns the world? Who really owns these governments? Like, what's going on? Like, that who are these people that own these things? Like, who are these people that when they need billions of dollars, boom, they're there? Who own these banks? Who own when the banks went down a few months ago? Who recovered it? Well, we're going to talk today about BlackRock, Vanguard, and Fidelity. These three companies pretty much own 85 to 90% of the world. How do they own 80 to 90% of the world? I'll tell you right now. The food is owned by BlackRock, Fidelity, and Vanguard. So everything that you make, that you eat, is invested by these companies. Who owns the government? When the governments need problems, Ukraine, an example. Look at Ukraine being destroyed now by Russia in the war. And guess who's going to rebuild Ukraine? BlackRock, Vanguard, and Fidelity. Now, who's the people that are trying to make crypto a thing? Who was the ones that maybe tanked the markets? People will say, "Yo, I think these guys tanked the market." Who do you guys think? BlackRock, Vanguard, and Fidelity. Look them up, guys. Let me put my gold while I'm talking to you guys. You guys, I'm almost done with it. But do your research, guys. Do your research. Like, these guys are the people, man. These guys are the ones you don't want to mess with. These guys are the Illuminati. These guys are the ones, like, they own trillions of dollars of assets. Oh, that is, guys. They manage trillions of dollars of assets. We're talking about stocks. We're talking about Apple. We're talking about all these majors, S&P 500. Like, these are the guys. These are the guys that run the world. And and people really think it's the government or Joe Biden or what's this other guy's name, Donald Trump. I forgot his name. And, like, yeah, the reason I support Trump more than I did Joe Biden was because this man Trump was actually literally saying, like, we don't the government doesn't run America in the end of the day, because at the end of the day, these $1 trillion managing asset companies are the ones that run America and run the world pretty much. Because you guys got to understand that America is pretty much the capital of the world. What happens when we go to war? They hit us up. What happens when there's a major disaster? They hit us up. What happens when something's happening? America. Let's hit up the president of the United States of America. And look what's happening in Ukraine. Big example. Not even Europe is posting and putting the same amount of money that our country's putting. Like, it's incredible. Let's look at BlackRock. Let's look at their website for a little bit. All right. About BlackRock in the US. BlackRock is one of the world's leading providers of investment, advisory, and risk management solutions. We are a fiduciary. We are fiduciary to our clients. We're investing to the future for the future on behalf of our clients, inspiring our employees and supporting our local communities. Let's watch the video. It says. What's going on?
We help millions of people invest to build savings that serve them throughout their lives. We make investing easier and more affordable. We advance sustainable investing. And we contribute to a more inclusive and resilient economy that benefits more people. To meet the needs of our clients over the long term, we're continuing to evolve, invest, and innovate. We are challenging ourselves and the industry by asking big questions like how can we contribute to an effective transition to a net zero economy? How can we bring the voices of individual shareholders to the companies they invest in? And how can we help more people benefit from the long-term growth of capital markets? BlackRock is investing for the future so we can better serve our clients, inspire our employees, and support our communities. This is how we remain true to our purpose of helping more and more people experience financial well-being.
I'll be right back, guys. So BlackRock, guys. BlackRock is the company, the one that I believe that pretty much owns everything more powerful than Vanguard. All right, Vanguard joins BlackRock, cuts support for shareholders items on climate social issues. See, like these guys are on top of everything. August 28th, Vanguard supported just 2% of shareholder resolutions on environmental and social issues as at US companies this year, down from 12% last year, the top mutual fund manager said on Monday, fueling a drop in investor back overall. Vanguard said the declining support rate reflected a rising number of proposals, 359 this year, up from 290 a year ago, coupled and improvements in company disclosure that is said made many resolutions unnecessary. All right, let's look at the Wikipedia. I saw the Wikipedia. All right. BlackRock is an American mutual national investment company based in New York City, founded in 1988, initially as an enterprise risk management and fixed income institutional asset manager. BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager with US 8.59 trillion in assets under management as of December 2022. Wow, guys. You know how much money that is? It's a lot of money. None of us will ever, and I mean none of us will ever see this type of money. BlackRock operates globally with 70 offices in 30 countries and clients in 100 countries. BlackRock is a manager of iShares groups of exchange traded funds and along with the Vanguard Group and State Street. It is considered to be one of the big three index fund managers. Aladdin Software keeps track of investment portfolios for many major financial institutions. In its BlackRock Solutions division provides financial risk management services. BlackRock is ranked 184th on Fortune 500 list of the largest United States corporation by revenue. That doesn't even make sense. That doesn't make sense. Let's see these. All right, index funds. We're talking about the Dow Jones and but you see, guys, like this is insane. Like this is like wow. Like BlackRock is a very powerful company, and let's look at Vanguard now. I will go more into details. This is another video just to like add more watch hour, but in the road, I will have everything fixed up and this bed out of the way, and I'll do this video again, and I'll do it correctly with more details, more proper, and just give you guys all the information that I can give you guys in a more detailed experience. Again, if you watch these videos, it's just to give more watch hours. I'm just going straight, talking my shit, talking, doing what I gotta do. And let's see, Vanguard. Let's look at Vanguard. At Vanguard, you are more than just an investor, you are an owner. Vanguard isn't owned by public shareholders, it's owned by the people who invest in our funds. For owners have access to personalized financial advice, high quality investments, retirement tools, and relevant market insights that help you build a future for those you love. Aligned interests. Because your investors are our owners, our interests are unequally aligned, allowing us to focus on you and your goals. Greater conviction. Because our investors are our owners, we act like conviction on the investment themes that are important to you. Long term perspective. Because our investors are our owners, we can focus on the long term rather than quarterly results. Low cost. Because our investors are our owners, it enables us to consistently pass along economies of scale and lower the cost of investing. So you can keep more of your returns. Become an owner. Yeah, I'd rather become an owner by myself, guys. All right, I'm gonna tell you what you guys should do. What what you guys should really do. All right, so Vanguard, Fidelity. We're gonna look at Fidelity after, but Vanguard, BlackRock, and Fidelity are companies that yeah, it works. They work out. You can invest with them. Obviously, you can't just invest $10 with them. You got to invest a few thousand. I don't know their amount necessary for minimum, but it's a company that really is like getting to it, like they get it done. And yeah, there's returns, and I'm pretty sure there's downs as well. The markets do act up. This is why you got to buy at the bottom. Don't buy when it's high, buy at the bottom. Same as investing with these companies. But you know what you guys should do better? Open an account, make it a trust fund, okay? Put all your assets under that trust fund, right? Create managers under the trust fund. It could be your family, your mom, your sister, your dad, your brother, anybody in the family that's trusty, and put all of your assets. I'm talking about their houses, your crypto, your stocks. Also get life insurance and put your life insurances all in this system, right? So this trust would increase in value the more in time, just with your health insurance. I mean, your life insurance, everything. In time, add more crypto, add more houses, add more stocks. Boom. What's going to happen now is that you, instead of taking the money and get taxed for it, now you could put a loan against that trust fund, right? This is the best part. That trust fund, you keep your assets. But let's say I'm just going to give you an example, $250,000 in that trust fund, right? You could put a loan against it don't pay taxes, and boom, now you have 250,000. Of course, don't be that guy that just spends it all, buys a Lamborghini or a Rolls Royce or a watch or parties with women and guys, pop bottles at the club. Don't be that guy. Be that person that actually invests more. Buy another house. Buy a few houses. You know, don't see. I'm still confused, and I'll break this down in the future. I'm pretty sure it's good to buy a house, obviously, cash, as everything is better buying cash. But cash is king. So with that cash, you could literally create more cash. So I always say put a 5 to 10% down to 20% down on a house, right? Get a mortgage loan. I mean, not a mortgage loan, get a bank loan. 20% will be best because you don't have to pay mortgage insurance. So you're saving money from that. And you have to pay less fees. There's less fees when you put 20%. I'm not going to get into that right now. Again, this video is just for chatting, and I will break down more of these details correctly, better quality video. Again, this video is just for watch hours. I just want you guys to know this, that I'm being sloppy and just being organic, just being normal, not preparing, just getting to YouTube, making sure I get to those 4,000 watch hours. But yeah, buy more houses, buy more stocks, buy at the bottom. If you see people are celebrating, oh, I made money, that's probably not a good time to buy. When people are like, oh man, I'm losing so much money, that's a good time to buy. Sounds bad and evil, but it is what it is. That's what works out for the rich, for the normal, for the people that actually are mastering trading and knowing about these assets. These are skills that everybody should learn, man. Everybody should learn these skills, and yeah, like important stuff. Let's look at Fidelity, and then I would Fidelity Investments. So I just want you guys to look into these. Again, I will break down more. Fidelity Investment. Investing isn't just about money, it's about your future. Let us help you create the future you want for yourself and your loved ones. Whether you're new to investing or an experienced trader, we're here to help you on your way. Retirement IRAs. Save for retirement and access to broad range of investment, exceptional services, planning tools, and free investment guidance. Start making real progress on your financial goals with help from your investment management service. Brokerage account. Trade smarter with zero commissions for online US stock ETF and option trades. Fractional share trading for a slice of your favorite companies and powerful research tools. This is pretty cool. I like this. It's pretty cool. Health savings accounts. Save and pay for qualified medical expenses in a tax advantage way now through retirement. Cash management. Save, spend, and invest with our smart alternative to a bank account with no account fees or minimum ATM fees reimbursed. The FDIC coverage up to 1.25 million. 529 college saving plans. Open a flexible tax advantage 529 college saving plan managed by Fidelity to save for education expenses such as tuition, rent, and food, books, and more. Interesting, guys. Fidelity. See, I don't know which company I would choose. They all sound pretty legit, and they're more secure than you investing sometimes because I'll be real with you guys. I've lost a lot of money investing on my own. Now I'm a little bit more mastered. I'm a little bit more experienced. I'm a little bit more think with the mind, but I lost thousands of dollars. Like right now, just in crypto, I'm like $30,000 down. Literally, literally $30,000 down. So I'm not gonna say I'm the best trader, but through those losses and through those puncturing painful days and situations, I learned a lot. I gained experience. And this is why, guys, I always say be careful who you listen to and do your own research. And also, how do I say this? Sounds pretty crazy. Don't react to losses. Don't get emotional about losses. Just lose it. Stop. Relax. Take a few days off. Take a few hours off. Take some time off and then come back. Strategy. Execute. Better mind. And win the losses and gain more. This is the thing about everything. And I've been through this. When you lose, you react. You're like, oh, I don't want to lose $250. Oh, let me trade right now again. And what happens? You lose more money. That's called revenge trading. You don't want to go through that. Revenge trading is the reason most of us lose the money. And I've lost a lot of money just recently, like $1,300. I lost like revenge trading. Not doing that no more. Like, guys, just focus. Don't get emotional through losses, through wins, through good compliments, through bad compliments. Don't get emotional. Just focus. And when you take your wins, don't celebrate. Focus. And when you take your losses, don't react. Don't get emotional. Focus. And that alone will boost you up 10 to 20% and will make you better. You will gain more. You will learn more. And you will react to less more. It's easy, man. It's really easy for all of us to learn these skills. And in the end of the day, people talk about making money, but the first thing everybody should do is clear your mind, make changes in your life, and the rest will come to you. Because once you do that, everything that's in front of you could get done and executed. I'm still working on myself. I still have a lot of flaws. Look, I just literally left you guys for like 2 months almost. Horrible. Or more than 2 months. Horrible. I don't respect myself for things like that. And I can't respect myself. And I will beat myself up until I stop doing some dumb stuff like that. Literally, these videos are 15, 30 minutes. And it's sad that I couldn't do that, but I could literally be on Instagram for hours. I could literally look at girls for hours and I can't execute my own plans. It makes no sense. This is why now I'm really dedicated to giving myself my all. And if you guys watch, that's great. But everything I'm doing is for me to become better, for me to become the best individual, for me to become the best human this planet. Like, guys, just focus on becoming the best. That's it. The rest will fall into place. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Again, this video is just for laughing giggles. I just want you guys to see who owns the world. I will break down everything more down into details. They're cutting the grass outside, so if you hear that, my bad. But I'll break down these more into details with more fire information, more sauce, more things. I'm just trying to make these videos to do a video a day and run out of it. I'm not even doing tags or nothing. But I will post a few videos this week that will be organized and properly done. Okay, probably tonight, probably later. Like I'm posting a lot of videos. I'm just gonna post a lot of shitty videos like this one and the one yesterday, so you guys could just know that I'm doing it for watch hours. Thank you guys again. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends. I will see you guys in the next video.